Okay. Yeah, so you can go back over it because they can see it.
Sorry about that. We just keep stumbling one thing after another. This here says Muskogee Ubunaga, and these are phrases in the Muskogee language that I'm going to show you. So most of these has questions on there, and we just gonna go over these. And if I have time, I'll go back over and ask y'all what it's saying. And if y'all can, I will pick it up for y'all to repeat that in the Muskogee language. So everybody pay attention. Okay, this here, it says Nugget, Jihujif Gadi, Nugget, Jihujif Gadi. What is your name? Nugget, Jihujif Gadi. Jimahui Kahis, I will call you. Jimahui Kahis. Jimahui Kahis, I will call you. Jimahui Kahis. Juga Sala Aipa. Juga Sala Aipa. Juga Sala Aipa. Did the mailman go by? Mujanita Nagin Istua Hansa. Mujanita Nagin Istua Hansa. What are you going to do today? And this next one, Jinori Ukusitsa. Jinori Ukusitsa. Did you brush your teeth? Do y'all have any questions so far? Anybody? Okay. All right, we'll go to the next one. And that was, did you brush your teeth? This one here, Akhazi Sako Ayahansa. That's, are you going to the lake? Akhazi Sako Ayahansa. Next one, Amarami Amahu Bangiros. Amarami Amahu Bangiros. My car is broke down. Amarami Amahi Rejitiha. Amarami Amahi Rejitiha. Can you fix my car? That's what that's saying. Can you fix my car? Amarami Amahi Rejitiha. And next one, Maro Amanejiska. Thank you for helping me. Maro Amanejiska. Istuvan Anjogo Bihleza Hansa. Istuvan Anjogo Bihleza Hansa. When are you going to visit me? Next one, Sinjella under Bixi Rose. Sinjella under Bixi Rose. I have a flat tire. Amanejitiha. Can you help me? Amanejitiha. Amanejitiha. Can you help me? Istungun. Alitza. How are you doing? Istungun Alitza. Istungon. Alitza. How are you doing? Ihi istungon. Ales. Yes, I'm doing fine. Ihi istungon. Ales. Mun jitskira. How about your mother? Mun jitskira. How about your mother? Mun jitskira.
Hello?
Now this one's a little bit different because you're saying it different. That's
This is
Chutski. Istungon. Alice. My mother is doing fine. Chutski. Istungon. Alice.
regarding the.
My mother
process to
is
terminate
doing
contract,
fine.
And I talked to the chief's office. and
Coffee,
the chief
Chiesa.
is the one that
Do
signs
you
them.
want some coffee?
Then I need to send a request to
Coffee,
terminate
Chiesa.
back to the AG's office.
Coffee,
You guys,
Chiesa.
I guess figure out the verbiage that it needs to say to terminate a contract. Yeah, so,
Muano.
regarding, so,
Iskais.
yeah,
Okay, I can drink some. Muano. Iskais.
yes, ma'am, you should have a hard copy of that request for
Is
legal
that it?
opinion. Yeah, probably.
Oh,
in your
okay.
office
I thought I had some after
today.
that.
All right, thank you, have a good rest of the day. Bye-bye.
Okay. We're back to the first sentence. Can anybody repeat in the Muscogee language? What is your name?
Nugget, Chihajifkadi.
Right, that's good. Yep, Nugget, Jihojifkadi. That's what is your name. I will call you. Does anybody remember? Right, yeah, you got it. It's Chimahwikahis. I will call you. Muscogee language, or did the mailman go by? Yeah. Chuga Sala Ayipa. Did the mailman go by? That's Chuga Sala Ayipa. And that's what that is. Oh, it's probably just now going by. What's the Muscogee for? What are you going to do today? Right, that's good. Very good. That's Mujanita Nagin is to Hansa. What are you going to do today? Muscogee for did you brush your teeth? Right. Looking at A+.
Can I go home now?
Jinori Okosita. Did you brush your teeth? Jinori Okosita. And this one, Muscogee for are you going to the lake? Anybody? Right, good. Akhazi Sako, Ayahansa. Akhazi Sako, Ayahansa. Are you going to the lake? What's the Muscogee sense for my car is broke down? Anybody? Right. Amadami Amaho Bungidos. My car is broke down. I guess he won't be going to the lake and. Muskogee phrase for can you fix my car? Anybody? Is there anybody online that can read this? Can you fix my car? Anybody? If you need your car going, you better ask. Amadami, Amahilejitiha. Can you fix my car? Next one, Muskogee for thank you for helping me. Anybody? Everybody? Somebody?
Mado, Amanajitska.
Wow, that's good. Thank you for helping me. Maro Amanejitska. Very good, very good. Muskogee for when are you going to visit me? When are you going to visit me? Anybody?
Stoven on Chogo Pitle Jahancha.
Very good, very good. Istuvan Anjogo Bisle Jahansa. Very good. When are you going to visit me? That's pretty good. Muskogee for I have a flat tire. Right. They're from Coco with the 100. I have a flat tire. Sinzala on the big doors. Muskogee sends for can you help me? Anybody? Can you help me? I need some help. Right. 100. Amanejitiha. Can you help me? Very good. Muskogee sends for how are you doing?
Istongon Athicha.
Very good, very good. How are you doing? Istongon Ahitsa. Very good. Muskogee sends for yes, I'm doing fine. Anybody? Going once, twice. Ihi Istongon Ales. Yes, I'm doing fine. Ihi Istongon Ales. How about the Muskogee sends for how about your mother? How about your mother?
Mon Jetskida.
Right, very good. Monchitskira, how about your mother? Muskogee sends for my mother is doing fine.
Chotski is 동건 office.
Right. Chutski is doing office. My mother is doing fine. Very good. Chutski is doing office. Do you want some coffee? Muskogee sentence? Or do you want some coffee?
Kavi Chiaja.
Right, that's what it is. You got 5 words in here, but in the Creek, it's only the 2 words. And it spells out this whole sentence. Do you want some coffee? Maru, that was good. It says, okay, I can drink some. Muskogee word sentence, I mean, for the, okay, I can drink some. Say, Muano iskais, okay, I can drink some. And I'll try to use these sentences and words like conversations that people might have with each other. And that's what. Okay. Jordan.
That's so she can just make the screen smaller.
Oh,
Or not gonna make it go smaller.
yeah. Well,
That's
that's
just great.
Okay. And yes, these are my sentences I made, like conversations that people might say or ask or do. And is there any questions on any of these, or do y'all still remember Muskogee phrase for what is your name?
나게 치호지프리.
Yes, ma'am, that's right. What is your name? Nugget, buddy. I will call you. Jima hui kahis. Jima hui kahis. I will call you. Suga sala aipa. Did the mailman go by? Can anybody repeat that? Suga sala aipa. Did the mailman go by? Next one. Muzanita nagin istua hansa. What are you going to do today? Can anybody repeat that one?
모준etta 나긴 이스토와 안짜.
Yes, ma'am, that's correct. Very good, very good. Did you brush your teeth? You know the oppositsa? Anybody repeat that one?
진오리 오코체차.
Yes, ma'am. Did you brush your teeth? You know the oppositsa? Maru. Are you going to the lake? Akazi tako. Ayahatsa. Can anybody repeat that?
Akhazitlako Ayahancha.
Thank you, sir. That's correct. And Coco, I heard you too. Are you going to the lake? Akazi tako. Ayahatsa. My car is broke down. Amarami amaho bangiros. Can anybody repeat that? That means like my or me, my, me, that we am, arami, amahubangiros. Just like you're saying that's mine, amarami, amahubangiros. And that's what you're saying, my car is broke down. Can anybody repeat that one?
Amarmi amahabangidos.
Very good, very good. And this one is amarami, amahitezitiha. Can you fix my car? Can anybody say that one? Amarami, amahitezitiha. Anybody? Can you fix my car? Mhm. Yeah, amahitezitiha. Right. Maro, amanejiska. Thank you for helping me. Can anybody say that? Read that sentence in the Muskogee.
Mado amanejitska.
Very good, very good. Maro, amanejiska. Thank you for helping me. Next one. When are you going to visit me? Can anybody read that in the Muskogee? Istuvan, anzugo bihleza hansa. Can anybody repeat that?
Karamagis
Istuvan, anzugo bihleza hansa.
istovan anjogo behejit hanja.
Yeah, say bihleza hansa.
Biteja hanja.
Right. Istuvan, anzugo bihleza hansa. Where are you going? Or when are you going to visit me? That's what that phrase means. Next one. It says, Sinzella on the big Siros. I have a flat tire. Can anybody repeat that one? Sinzella on the big Siros. I have a flat tire. That's what that one says. And this next one, Amanejitjiha. Can you help me? Can anybody repeat this one in Muskogee? Or can you help me? Amanejitjiha. That's what that phrase is saying. Can you help me? Next one. How are you doing? It's Stungon Azitsa. Can anybody repeat that one?
Istongon aticha.
Yes, ma'am, that's good. How are you doing? It's Stungon Azitsa. Next one. Ihi is Stungon Azes. Yes, I'm doing fine. Can anybody repeat that one? Ihi is Stungon Azes. Yes, I'm doing fine. Next one, how about your mother? Munchitskira.
Moon chichkida.
Yes, ma'am, that's great. Very good, very good. Next one is like you're answering the question before. You would say, Chachki is Stungon Azes. You're saying my mother is doing fine. Can anybody repeat the Muskogee sentence where my mother is doing fine?
Chachki istongonatis.
Yes, ma'am, that's correct. Chachki is doing Alice. My mother is doing fine. The next one, do you want some coffee? Coffee, Gieda. Anybody repeat Muskogee sentence for do you want some coffee? Coffee, Gieda. Do you want some coffee? Next one. Okay, I can drink some. Moano, Iskais. Can anybody repeat the Muskogee sentence for okay, I can drink some?
Moano iskais.
That's correct. You got that right. Very good, very good. Anybody have any questions? Why you took the long food? Oh,
Yeah.
does anybody have any questions on any of these sentences? Anything else?
Can I hear how you would say, how are you doing? In your, the way you would say it. Naturally.
How are you doing? Still going off, so.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I just wanted them to hear the difference in that. And what's
Yeah. I know I told Becky, sometimes the way I talk is different what's written in that dictionary.
Yeah.
But I told her I just teach it how I grew up speaking. Yeah. Anybody else have any questions?
You might introduce yourself because a lot of them are employees now.
Oh, okay. Well, these are my sins I had for today. And it was like, kind of like what conversations people might have, like, you know, like the car's broke down or when you gonna come visit me. And my name is Carolyn McNac and I'm a new instructor here in the language department. And just like I was saying that I try to make up words that, you know, people might relate to like on a daily basis. And I try to put sentence and try to structure it in that way. And I teach here on at 3 o'clock every day. It's every day. And some of them sins I might redo the other ones that I did over just so to see if anybody remembers how to speak the other sentences I had, but then I'll be putting new ones up, but then I'll be trying to redo some of them to see how much, you know, everyone's learning. But that's all I have for today. And if anybody has any more questions, feel free. Until next time. No questions? All right, if there's not any questions, everybody have a good evening and have a great weekend and we'll see you next week. Maro, guys.
Maro.
Binga.